Okay, so you have 1 and 3/5. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a number line because we're going to put this fraction in on a number line. So let's look at our denominator. Our denominator is telling us how many equal parts to break our fraction up into. And being that your denominator is 5, you're going to break it up into 5 parts. Okay, and then once you are done with that, then you are going to label each part. So if you look, you will see that the first one is 1/5, then you have 2/5, then 3/5, then 4/5, and now you have 5/5. You have to remember that 5/5 is the same thing as one whole. And because our mixed number is 1 and 3/5, we're not going to stop there. We're going to expand our number line. And you have to remember that number line is continuous. It's up until infinity. So you are going to continue it until you have one whole and then more leave over. Now, being that we stopped at one whole and we extended it to the next whole, we're going to now put our values in. So after 5/5, you have 1 and 1/5. Then you have 1 and 2/5. Then 1 and 3/5. Then 1 and 4/5. And then 1 and 5/5. Now you need to remember that 5/5, any number that has your numerator and your denominator as the same number is a whole. So 1 and 5/5 is the same thing as two wholes. Okay, now let's look at it. You see where the green is? We start at 0, then 5/5 is a whole, and then 1 and 5/5 is two wholes. Now, because we now have two wholes, we need to find where 1 and 3/5 go on the number line. So you go to the whole, and then you see how many hops you have to take. So you go 1 and 1/5, 1 and 2/5, and then 1 and 3/5. And that's where you will stop.